Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. A common question I get often asked is why start an Amazon business? And let me tell you, it's the freedom, the time freedom of starting an Amazon business with what we call Amazon FBA, which is essentially a fulfillment house. So when you sell a product, you don't have to ship it out to your customer. Amazon will do it for you. It gives you something what I call time freedom. So you can travel anywhere, you can be anywhere, you can, just as long as you have internet access, and you can make sure that Amazon is shipping it out and you're shipping it out to your customers. You can pretty much run your business from anywhere. So the advantage of starting an Amazon business is you can pretty much live anywhere, work anywhere, and be anywhere you want. All right, so it really is a great way to start an online business. If you're sort of new to it, you're not too sure, you've never done it before, then Amazon definitely has a lot of potential. So definitely check it out, guys. Also, when you are starting an Amazon business, make sure that you choose a hot product, a good supplier, and make sure that they do actually deliver good products. It's not replica products or copy products, all right? So if you want to find out more about that, definitely check out my website. I've got a free report and free video program showing you how to get started with Amazon and how to go about setting up the store and how to get the best price from suppliers, the whole thing. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. And if you know someone who's looking to start an Amazon business, definitely share this video with them and comment below. Have an awesome day, guys. See you later.